let's unbox this. So I made it. So it says mystery blind bag, stamp or trump. So let's open it. Oh, I can't open it. So wait, I feel it. It looks like it's orange or it's red. I don't know. Wait, I can open it. So let's open it by here. Here, let's open it. So satisfying, bro. Wait. Oh, let's not open it there. Here. So it's opened. So you can see here. So it's stamp. It's a stamp. Wait. Oh, I'm right. It's orange. BTW, it's a cinnamon one. I think it still works. It still works. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna make another one. So this is the stamp, of course. This is the tape. This is the pen. This is. I mean, not. This is not the pen. This is a pencil. It's the pen and paper, of course. Duh. So we need paper. So let's fold it like this. See, like that, and do it on the other side also. So like that. So now it's like that. So let's tape it now. BTW, I'm using this tape. So let's just put like this one, like 1 foot. It's like just 1 foot. Like, what are you even doing? And let's put the name in the middle. If you want, I'm gonna put mystery blind bag, stamp or trump, stamp or trump. So let's draw with a pen also, so we can see it clearly. Mystery blind bag. So I already put mystery blind bag, so I'm gonna put stamp or trump. Stamp or trump. Stamp or trump. Let's put any design you want. If you want, also it's optional. So I'm gonna put a flower for my blind bag. So a flower there, and a star, of course, at the can see it, and the heart in the middle. So I'm gonna put a pencil. I mean the opener thing in the middle. It's optional if you want it. You can do this if you want. So let's close the pen. Ah, so let's tape it again. Oh, I forgot. I didn't put the stamp. So BTW get another sheet of paper and cut it and put anything you want, any item you put inside here. Or if it's legendary, rare, epic, uncommon, or common. On and you can put mythic and rare and I mean not rare, uh, rain not rain god and secret and OG. I'm gonna put stamp because of course the name of this item is stamp because and this is stamp for Trump, the blind tag name, of course. Put it. Wait, guys, if you don't want to make a stamp for Trump, you can do anything you want. It's not required to need a stamp for Trump because it's mine. I can give you even credits. You can do it if you want. You can copy it. Even the stamp. So yeah, let's do that. So satisfying, bro. So no, I lost it. I'm gonna tape it now because why not? Yeah. Here, oh. And let's put the paper first. And the stamp. So let's fold it. If you want, it's optional. It, if it has space. For me, I'm not gonna fold it. So this is the blind bag, of course. So if there's a bit tape left, put it in the side. Wait, like that. It's so cute. We're gonna put design on it. So bye, guy. Wait, I said bye, bye, and said guys, bro. So guys, bye.